Hey you guys, welcome back to a motivational vlog video. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Now in today's video, you guys, we're going to be styling and doing a little bit of clean and decorate with me in my bathroom. If that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. All right, family, let's get this video started. Family, we're going to be doing a light clean with me in this video, along with the decorate with me for my bathroom Christmas 2023 look. A portion of this video is sponsored, as you can see, and we're going to include the sponsored information inside of this video. Now you guys, make sure y'all do go over and check out these shower heads. I'm telling you, you will love it. We've been using it for probably about a week now, and I'm telling you, you will love it. So with that being said, now if you're watching and you're not a part of the Glam Queen DIY family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell twice, it turns blue, and you know every time that your girl is uploading a video. So you guys, with that being said, make sure you click on all of those channels. All the links are down in the description box, and come along and be part of the family. Now let's get this video started. Now this is our clean slate. I'm going to include, we've already did this video for this. I don't know how we released it or if it's actually being dropped in this video, but I think it's already uploaded. But either way, make sure you check out how we completed this look. And also, once again, that's that shower head from Feel So. And you know we'll be cleaning with these Lysol wipes. At this point, Lysol should be sponsoring a portion of my video. But with that being said, you guys, we're going to do a clean and wipe down. I just love how the Lysol wipes and the Lysol cleaner just makes the house smell so refreshed. Make sure you give them a try. Now we'll put a link for these wipes down in the description. And I will tell you too, you guys, this is the very first look for my Christmas 2023 look. You know this one wall here has white and silver on it. I will be letting you know we will be doing another little subtle change coming very soon.